Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to extend the RAM in your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we need to go to settings, and now we have to scroll down to the device care section over here. Open device care, and here now you have to tap memory. Let it check their memory, and here you don't have to really clean that. Scroll down and tap RAM Plus. Here, enable that. It's by default enabled, as you can see. So enable that, and you eventually restart your phone. And here, as you can see, we can select how much RAM you want to extend. Here we have 2 GB, 4, 6 or 8 GB. If you set a gigabyte 8, we have to restart your phone. Tap restart and wait. Now we do have our RAM extended to the 8 GB. I mean 8 GB plus. Here we have more gigabytes than 8, because we have to add this normal RAM. And that's it. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it and hope it helped you. Goodbye.